Good morning. It's Friday. What that means for us is all of our assignments are due. So you're coming to the close of your first remote learning week. I hope it's been fun. I hope you have been allowed to be creative and see a new way in education and spend some time at home and with family. Um, the most important piece about all this is that we make the best of it and we roll with it. If for some reason this week was a little too easy for you, or you're like, "That's it," we're gonna amp it up next week. If for some reason this week was too much, and you're like, "Oh," then you may need to think about getting organized and having a plan for the week and designating specific times to do specific things. So I wanted to put this video out this morning so you knew exactly what I expected from you by the end of the day. Okay, I will not grade anything till tomorrow. Okay, if you turn this in at midnight tonight because you're up late, that's fine. I will start grading till tomorrow morning. Okay, so that's Saturday morning. All right, I am currently looking at the calendar. You guys all have this. Please do not look down here at paper pencils. Some of you guys have been asking me about where you find these mean, median worksheets. Those are for only students that can only do paper pencil, which means that they have no access to the internet right now or they don't have a device. You guys online are only paying attention to the part that says online students. Okay, so this is the week that we're in right now. You're an online student. So again, Tuesday, you needed to watch the introduction video, and then you needed to comment below it telling me something good, and many of you did. Really good things. Then Wednesday, you should have watched the how to log into Holt McDougall. Again, I haven't heard from very many of you today. And so I'm assuming you guys can get in. If you can't, you need to get a hold of me today because you need to be in Holt McDougall today. Yesterday, you should have watched the Khan Academy video on mean, median, and mode. There were some extra practices if you guys wanted to do or not, but I had a video on that. Okay. Today is your first graded assignment. Really, the comment above or below the video was easy. It was 100 points, 4 points, 100% if you just did it. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult. So you guys need to log into Holt McDougall and complete 16.1 Measures of Center Interactive Student Edition. Okay, so I'm going to go right here. Okay, so this is a student screen that I'm using this morning. Okay, and so what you're going to do, many of you guys go like this. You scroll down and you're like, I don't see it. Okay, so you're under my assignments. You scroll down, you don't see it. You need your cursor in this box. If you guys notice, there's another tool right here, another bar that will help you scroll down. Okay, so once my cursor's inside this box of my assignments, then I scroll again. Look at this. And everything starts to move. And down here, 16.1 Measures of Center Interactive Student Lesson. Okay, so there are some questions in there that are super tough, and that's the goal, is to really push you. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to use your notes, use the tools. You can go back and watch that Khan Academy video. Use the tools and the help things that the Go Math gives you. If you have any questions, remember my office hours today are from 12 to 4. You can ask me. You can FaceTime me if you need to. Anything like that. If you have any questions, you can just email me. But if you need to see me face to face and we need to do a Skype or a FaceTime kind of thing, then that's from 12 to 4, and I'll be more than willing to do that. I'm here all day today. You guys can email me questions about username and login and all that stuff. I'm here all day today. But those are going to be due. Both those assignments are due and graded by the end of the day. And you want to start out the semester, or I guess not the semester, but the fourth quarter with positive. It'd be great with like 100%. You know what I mean? So make sure you're checking your Google Classroom every day for these kinds of videos and announcements and things like that. Make sure you're checking your email every day for emails and announcements. And then lastly, make sure you're checking the DMS webpage every day for announcements. They're posting everything. As soon as they find something out, they're posting it to their website. So if your parents are like, what's going on? The DMS website is a great website. They're doing a great job of making sure everything's posted for teachers and parents and students as well. Okay? So good luck today. I hope you've enjoyed your first week. Hope to hear from you guys soon. And then I'll be grading this weekend, and then look for new assignments posted Monday morning for next week, okay? All right, guys. Hope all is well. We'll talk to you later. Bye.